Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus and algebra. The topic today is about factorization. So now I will show you how to answer. About the first one, we know that we have about division. If we want to change into this one like this, we need to swap the top, that's about numerator, and the bottom, that's about denominator. Go to numerator and numerator go to denominator. So we will have like this. Next, we need to do about factorization of this one. This is about identity. We have one square in here. And this one you got about n minus 1, n plus 1. This one we have 3n squared plus 9n. This one we can do another factorization by 3n. So I will put about 3n in here. Number 4n we can put into n plus 3n. This one we can do the factorization. Number 3, we can do another factorization. So because we have n plus 1, we can do another factorization. Now we need to simplify. N plus 3 divided by n plus 3. N minus 1, n plus 1 simplified by n plus 1. N and n we simplify. And now we will have about 3 multiplied by n minus 1 over n multiplied by n plus 1. Now we go to the second one. For this one, we see that we have number 3, number 6, 12, 24. We can do about factorization by 3, 6, and 12. So we see that we have a plus 2, and a plus 2. We can do about factorization. Now a divided by 12, divided by 12. So you got about negative a over 12 minus 1. So negative number 1 over 6, negative number 1. You got about negative number 7 over 6. 8 over 3 minus 8 over 12. You got 8 over 4. And this is the final answer. Question number 3. We need to do about factorization. About negative s, we can put into negative 2s plus positive s. This one, number 9, we put about 3 square. This one I can put into negative 3s plus s. About this one I can put into negative 3s positive 3s minus 2s. And now we need to do about factorization everything in here. So this one, that's about s. For this one, that's about negative number 2. This one, we apply about a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. And this one you got about s minus 3 multiplied by s plus 3. Now, we do another factorization. Negative number 3, we can do another factorization. This one, we have factorization. Negative number 2, negative number 6, we can do another factorization. Now s plus 1, we can do another factorization in here. And you got about s plus 1 multiplied by s minus 2. This one, we got about s plus 1, s minus 3. This one, we have about s plus 3, s minus 2. And now, we see that everything in here, they have the same factors. This one divided by this one divided by this one, and so on in here. And this is about number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.